Hey everybody, Jared Allen here with the Bully Bag and Tool Company. I'm going to review some of our tool pack combos that we offer for the Bandit belt system. We're going to work our way down from the Elite system that we have here down to the 8-pack, and you can decide which one's the best for you. So starting here with the Elite system, of course, it comes with your padded belt, the Bandit belt, the Bandit Ultra Pouch, which is outstanding, and then I'm going to jump over here and point out the side scribe. So the Elite system comes with the side scribe. This is an outstanding tool for your for your laptop, for your clipboard, those cumbersome items that you want to remain hands-free. This does attach to the belt. We just have it out here separate to showcase it as its own item. Continuing on, we've got the AccuLines Flipboard. This is an essential tool for making those estimates look professional and getting your numbers right. Then the sidebar inspection tool. Outstanding for checking those layers, documenting your shingle warranty, as well as for handling any siding samples. The 112 shingle gauge from Hague, the 409 shingle gauge from Hague, badge retainer, 2-ounce badge retainer, 2 ounce of retraction there. I use that for my shingle gauges. And then, of course, the gear retainer, I use that for my cameras. The number 1 S-beaner from Night Eyes. This is great for tethering your camera or other items where you've got quick release, but also security. Number 4 S-beaner from Night Eyes. We use this to tether the AccuLine system, the Stanley 100-foot tape measure, and then of course the Bandit large Z-Pack. All these items comprise the Bandit belt system Elite combo, and now we're going to work our way down to the 12-pack. And this is our 12-pack Bandit belt system here. Just like the Elite, it has all of these items to include, of course, the pitch gauge or pitch indicator, as well as the adjust grip 25-foot tape measure, the Bandit padded belt, the Bandit Ultra Pouch, 100-foot long tape by Stanley, your Hague 409 shingle gauge, badge retainer, the gear retainer for tethering your items, keeping them from being a falling hazard, as well as hopefully not damaging the item itself. The number 1 S-beaner and the number 4 S-beaner from Night Eyes, the sidebar, your inspection tool you're going to use, and the AccuLines double-sided clipboard for handling those field notes day in and day out. Okay, now let's take a look at the 8+ pack of the Bully Bag combos. So of course you've got your Bully Bag Ultra Pouch Bandit, your padded belt, pitch indicator, your 25-foot adjust grip tape measure, the 409 Hague shingle gauge, your badge retainer, the gear retainer, sidebar, your inspection tool, of course, and the 100-foot tape measure. These are just a few of the combo packs of the Bandit belt system that we offer. Select the one that's right for you at bullybag.com and claim the storm today.